2020 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. That's the really good off-road one in the little Compass here. They're actually pretty solid off-roader. 47,000 miles, one owner, factory warranty, independently inspected, and ready to go. Hi, my name is Carter, and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Nice little Jeep here. It is the Compass. It is the Trailhawk. It's the off-roader one. It's got heated leather. It's got heated steering wheel, remote start. Again, 47,000 miles on. I put 300 miles on it myself. I drove it out to Billings. That's my air compressor. Nice and clean. Got the nice stitching in it, the red and the gray, the leather cloth combination. Again, the remote start, the big touch screen, steering wheel controls, the off-road stuff, phone hookups. It does come with factory warranty, but we can add on to that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, talk to get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That's get pre-approved at our website, AutoramaAuto.com. And we can have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. So we're not going to keep you all day like the big dealers. We're not going to do that. We're not going to keep you all day. 20 minutes, in and out, fast, easy. Another thing like the big dealers is we have the price you see, price you weigh, drive it away pricing. It's a lot to say. Price you see, price you pay, drive it away. We do not have hidden fees. We do have a $145 dock fee. Guess what? Corey, our finance guy, give these folks a free dock fee. So, no hidden fees. Price you see, price you pay, drive it away. So let's recap. 2020 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. All-wheel drive, 47,000 miles, one owner, independently inspected, warranty, fast financing, no hidden fees, price you see, price you pay, drive it away. That is the Autorama advantage. Come and join us.